Well, hello, this is Richard with Cornell Garage Doors, Austin, Texas. Today's application had to manufacture out of spring brackets just a piece that's going to allow us to get up and over the torsion tube. There's no room, as you can see, for a normal application. And basically in the ceiling, there's nothing up in the ceiling. It's all hollow up there as well. So the only thing I had was a solid header. So devising this bracket, out of spring brackets, it's going to work pretty darn good. And this is a LiftMaster 3280 belt drive, Formula One, super quiet machine. And that was it for this installation. Thank you.